In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple videos to your Instagram Reels. Let's start by opening Instagram and navigating to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap the plus icon at the top to create a new reel. You'll have two options. You can either record a new video by holding down the record button or select existing videos from your gallery by tapping the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Once you've chosen the videos you want to include, use the reorder option at the bottom to arrange them in the desired sequence. After that, feel free to enhance your reel by adding effects, music, or other creative elements. When you're satisfied with your reel, preview it to ensure everything looks perfect. Then tap the share button to post it on your profile for your followers to enjoy. Remember to include a caption and relevant hashtags to maximize your reel's reach. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.